Welcome to Beautyistic, where we talk all things beauty from a place of expertise and passion. Today, we're diving into a lipstick that's designed to give you confidence with every swipe. The L'Oréal Paris Colour Riche Les Nudes lipstick in Nude Confident. This lipstick promises 12 intensely flattering nude shades, with a formula that's not only creamy and smooth, but also non-drying and smudge-proof. It's all about keeping your lip color true throughout the day, while offering a soft, luscious feel. I'm excited to see how this one lives up to its claims, so let's jump right into the details. Now, let's talk about the basics of the Nude Confident shade. It's part of L'Oréal's Colour Riche collection, known for offering a range of rich, luxurious lip colors that cater to different skin tones, with nudes being a popular go-to for creating that effortlessly chic look. The formula is soft and smooth, gliding on with ease, which is great for those who prefer a comfortable, non-drying lipstick. No one wants a lipstick that leaves lips feeling parched by midday, right? I applied this lipstick on a typical morning to test its wearability throughout the day. I was pleasantly surprised by how smoothly it glided on, hugging my lips' natural contours, thanks to the exclusive silhouette bullet design. This feature ensures a precise application, which is great for those who want a bold nude lip but don't want to mess with lip liner every time. The formula felt soft and light, but still gave me that full coverage look I love in a lipstick. I wore it from breakfast to mid-afternoon, and it really held up well. There was no bleeding, no smudging, just perfect, even color all day long. However, if you're someone who craves a matte finish, this one may feel a bit more creamy than you'd like. While it does give that smooth, comfortable feel, it's not as matte as some other options on the market. It's ideal for people who want a natural, hydrated lip, but may not be the best choice for those looking for something super matte or long-wearing in the traditional sense. In terms of pros, I really appreciated the texture. It feels smooth, moisturizing, and luxurious without the weight of a heavy formula. The precise bullet makes application a breeze, and I loved how I could apply it without worrying about overlining or having to go back for touch-ups every few hours. On the downside, if you prefer a longer-wearing, matte formula, this may not provide the all-day durability you need, especially if you're eating or drinking throughout the day. When it comes to value for money, this lipstick hits a nice sweet spot. It's not the cheapest on the market, but considering the smooth application, luxurious texture, and the brand's reputation for creating dependable products, it's definitely worth it for a go-to everyday nude lip. Plus, it's L'Oréal, a brand known for its expertise in the beauty industry, so you're paying for quality. There are definitely cheaper alternatives in the market, but you'll be missing out on the quality and smooth application that L'Oréal offers with this particular shade. If you're looking for a long-lasting, all-day wear, some other brands may have a better fit for you. But if you want a comfortable, flattering nude that can effortlessly go from day to night, this one's a solid choice. What about the build quality? The bullet is well-designed and the casing feels sturdy and sleek. It's a nice product to hold and use with a sophisticated feel that reflects the high-end vibe L'Oréal is known for. As for longevity, the lipstick stays true for a good amount of time, but as I mentioned, you might need to reapply if you're eating or drinking. Customer service is another consideration. I've always found L'Oréal to have reliable customer service. They're a trusted brand with solid support in case you have any issues. However, I didn't need to contact them for this product, so I can't speak to any recent experiences with this particular lipstick. If you're on the lookout for alternatives, there are some great nudes in other collections, but nothing that quite matches the smooth, creamy feel of this formula. Some other high-end brands may offer longer-lasting formulas, but if you're into comfort and smoothness, L'Oréal is a great option. Final verdict: Nude Confident is a great choice for anyone looking for a flattering, creamy nude lipstick with a smooth, hydrating feel. It's ideal for daily wear, offering precise application and all-day color that doesn't dry out your lips. If you prefer matte formulas or need something with extra staying power, you might want to explore other options. But for a comfortable, easy-to-apply nude that works for any occasion, this one's a winner. Mid-review call to action. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss more reviews just like this one. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest and thorough reviews. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this lipstick or have your own go-to nude, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.